Woke up with the sunrise, open road, windows down. Lap in my pocket, chasing dreams from town to town. Laughter with my friends, music blasting through the air. Chasing new adventures, summer's magic everywhere. We're running wild through the city lights, dancing like nobody's there tonight. Every moment shining, stories to ignite. Summer memories, let's hold them tight.
In the crowd, bright smiles we connect. Secret little places, never know what's up next. From the beach to the skyline, making every mile mine. These memories, rewind, it's yours and mine.
Sunset on the coast, found a little paradise, the view I love the most. Taking pictures, laughing, living out of our dream. Every second glowing, this is more than it seems. We're running